Did you know one of the most beautiful flowers in the world grows in a place that most people would rather avoid? Not in a luxurious garden, not on a sunny mountain peak, but in thick, dark mud. And perhaps that is exactly why the lotus flower carries one of the most powerful lessons about life. On a quiet summer morning, a pond appears calm and peaceful. Beneath the surface, however, lies a world of mud and darkness. Cold, messy, unattractive. If you looked only at the muddy bottom, you would never imagine that something extraordinary was growing there. Deep within the mud, a tiny lotus shoot begins its journey. It did not choose where it was born. It did not choose its surroundings. The only thing it could choose was whether to keep growing. Day after day, the young lotus pushes upward, through the thick mud, through the dark water, toward the sunlight above. The journey is not easy, yet it never gives up. It never complains. It never asks why life is unfair. Instead, it continues moving forward. Then one morning, as the first rays of sunlight touch the pond, something remarkable happens. A lotus flower blooms, elegant, pure, radiant. Its petals are untouched by the mud beneath it. Its fragrance is fresh and clean. Looking at it, no one would guess the difficult path it traveled to reach the surface, and that is what makes the lotus so extraordinary. Life is often much like the journey of the lotus. Not everyone is born into perfect circumstances. Some people face hardship. Some experience failure. Some carry wounds that others cannot see. Many spend years struggling through challenges that seem impossible to overcome. Yet the lotus reminds us of an important truth. Your circumstances do not define who you are. Your response to them does. The lotus never wastes energy blaming the mud. It never allows the darkness to determine its future, and instead, it focuses on growth, on hope, on reaching the light. In many ways, our greatest struggles can become the foundation of our greatest strength. The pain we experience may teach us compassion. The failures we endure may teach us wisdom. The obstacles we face may build resilience. Just as the mud nourishes the lotus, life's difficulties can help shape us into stronger and more beautiful versions of ourselves. If you are going through a difficult season right now, if life feels heavy, if your path seems unclear, remember the lotus flower. Nobody looks at a blooming lotus and thinks about the mud beneath it. Yet, without that mud, the flower could never exist. Perhaps the challenges you face today are not holding you back. Perhaps they are preparing you for something greater. Perhaps they are helping you become the person you are meant to be. because the lotus teaches us a timeless truth: no mud, no lotus. And without challenges, it is difficult to discover the strength that already exists within us.